Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to go over the most common punctuation and commands that you'll be using in your content creation as we start and demonstrate the dictation process. We'll be going over using the period command, exclamation point, comma, colon, question mark, semicolon, open quote, close quote, ellipsis, or we can say dot, 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 ampersand, or we can say and sign, open parentheses, close parentheses, dash, hyphen, new line, which is a command, and new paragraph, which is a command. And we're going to do that in the course of the dictation process. Now what we're now going to do is we're going to turn on our mic. We can do that by clicking on this red button. And what we're going to do here now is we're going to start the dictation process. So we're going to place our cursor inside of this area. And we're going to start the process. New line. There are a number of voices in business advice and consulting that you'll now hear talking about what companies need to do to market themselves, period. You'll hear them on business-related programming and television. You'll see their articles in magazines, and you'll read their columns in newspapers, exclamation point. The problem is that in many cases, much of all of this advice will be contradictory, period. New paragraph. Is there a specific sequence in which marketing should go? Question mark. Are there certain things that businesses need to have in place before they start considering, colon, marketing channels? Period. So basically, as you can see, we're going to say the punctuation and it will then appear. So what we're doing is we are dictating our text, and when we get to the point where we need to say something that we need to have appear, we just want to make sure that we're using the right phraseology. And if you use the right phraseology, then Dragon will eventually understand what you're saying. Now, the benefit of using the professional version is that it's designed to understand you out of the box. So you shouldn't need as much training as you might have needed in the past in order to get Dragon to understand what your way of saying the word period is, for example. But obviously, the longer that you work with Dragon, the more that you use it, the better it will understand you. So we're going to finish up the paragraph, and we're going to put in as many of these commands and punctuation points as we can to demonstrate again how Dragon actually works. While most advice, ampersand, commentary today focuses on internet-promotion, semicolon, there are preliminary aspects to your marketing that, open parentheses, you should have as your basis, close parentheses, period. Open quote. These fundamentals are necessary in order to make sure that your internet-based marketing is working as efficiently as possible, period. Close quote. It's all important, ellipsis. Okay, so you can see how this actually works and how it will work together with your word processing software. So what you will want to do is you will want to open up your word processing document, and then you'll want to walk through the entire process of working through punctuation, commands, and content creation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.